Okay, hello guys, so this is the Infinix Note 30, and in this video I will show you how to make system partition from read only become read and write. Okay, we are going to test it on the Infinix Note 30 Android 13. Okay, so basically some of you guys maybe want to remove the system app but cannot do because read only even though you already root upon. So in this video I will show you how. Okay, make sure to follow the step, and if you fail to follow all the instruction, your phone can be bootloader. Okay, make sure to follow it. Okay, all the file and step I'll provide in my blog. Check the link in the description box. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum, we'll meet again with Bob, and in this video I'll show you how to create or to modify file system on Android 11, 12, 13 from read only to become read and write. Okay, so we will try this method on the Infinix Note 30. Okay, it's using the Android 13 on the XOS. Okay, I will show you the process before and after. Okay, first thing to do, of course you need to unlock bootloader. Make sure to already unlock the bootloader, and of course you need Magisk. Okay, I already have Magisk right here, and you also need a module. Okay, so first thing to do is install a module. Okay, now open Magisk modules, install for zip, and we're going to use the, where is it, the RO2RW. Okay, install this one, and when it finishes we can reboot the phone. Okay, let's reboot. Okay, now we're back in the home screen. So we already installed RO2 RW. Okay, and the next step, you need to install Termux. Okay, of course you can also use the PowerShell from computer. So after this we will try the method using the PowerShell because it is more convenient for me. Okay, from here type C to get root access, hit enter. It will get superuser request is granted. Okay, so you now will have the root access, but I will do it from the PowerShell. Okay, it is just the same but more convenience for me from the computer because I have a large screen. Okay, now let's switch the screen. Okay, so this is all the step and file I will put in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. Okay, now I'm using the PowerShell, so type adb shell. Okay, make sure to plug your USB cable. Sorry. Okay, now we are in the shell and type su, and if there are any confirmation, just grant it. Okay, now we're good to go. We are in the superuser access, and the next step, just type this one, RO2RW, hit enter. Okay, now we have a question. Do you want to install new RW super? Select one, make install, yes. And another question, maximum expansion. Okay, this is dependent on you. Okay, but I usually use the 4 options. Type 4, enter. Config for expansion. Okay, we're going to choose one to continue. Do you want to install the disable for subscription? Okay, we're just going to skip this one, select one. because we already disabled the encryption while we are routing this device using Magisk. Okay, and from here you should wait, and the process to copy some version already finished. You can see right here, modifying FS tab and converting product, system, vendor from Eros FS to ext4. And now we need to remove something. Need 354. Okay, because we just need to resize the partition. Okay, this one, the option 4, so it will need 354. So I think I will remove the YouTube, Facebook. Okay, and for the other apps we can remove later if the file already converted to read write. I want to select the YouTube 7. Okay, 1, yes. Next, you want to remove the Facebook. Okay, let's select Facebook 7. Okay, this is needed because we just select an option to expand the system partition. Okay, what else? Manual guide 9. Yes. Just line by line. Okay, finish. You can remove something you want now, later. Okay. You want to backup? Yes, it's always a good idea to backup the original super. Output back super for fastboot or recovery. Okay, we're going to use the fastboot or sparse, and it will start backupping the super. You just need to wait. It usually take about 7 minutes. I will skip this one. And next it will ask for the output for our modify super, the read write. Okay, just select one because we want to flash from the fastboot. Okay, just to be noted, usually for Infinix, Xiaomi, Realme and other phone, we're going to use the fastboot. And for Samsung, we need to convert the fastboot into the tar format. Okay, now let's wait again. Okay, now the process is already done. You can see right here, repacking the boot image and blah 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 other stuff. And next there will be a question: do you want to force disable verification and verity? Let's select to create VB meta image. Okay, and it will be done. Okay, you can find the file in on the ROW super folder. Okay. Now let's unplug the cable and plug again. Okay, enable file transfer right here. Let's open file manager. Navigate to the internal storage and search for the folder. Okay, this is the folder. You can see right here we have lots of file. So this is the original super and this is the modify. Okay, let's copy the file into the computer. Let's put it in here. let's copy the super original, super modify, and the VB meta. Okay, you can see right here the size is about 9 GB, 9.5, and this is the original. If we're doing right, we don't need this one, but it's always nice to have backup. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now we already finished copy all the files. Okay, this is the original, this is the modify, and this is the VB meta. Okay, next step, we need to okay, already copy. Now let's reboot into the Fastboot mode. Okay, it'll be reboot bootloader, and then just to make sure, you need to disable the VB meta. Okay, I already do it. It's always nice to make sure. Okay, Fastboot flash dash disable variety. Click on rect the file. And now let's flash the super image. Okay, Fastboot's flash, we're going to use this one. This is the modify one. Okay, read write, and let's select the sorry, forgot. Fastboot space flash space super. Okay, like this. And just click and rect the super. Okay, it's quite large, and we should wait because the size is more than 9.5 GB. Okay, I will skip this one. Here now the process is already done. The super is divided into 151 packets. Okay, done. Now let's reboot system, and let's hope there is no problem with the super image. Okay, and from here we can see the size is 9.6. Okay, you can use this method from the Fastboot for Xiaomi, Realme, Infinix, and other stuff. Okay, and if you're using Samsung, you need to compress using a tar image. Okay, can use the 7-zip like this one. Okay, and right click 7-zip, add to archive, and change the format into tar. Okay, like this. Okay. It seems that we have successfully flashed the new modify super image, and let's take a test. Okay, so now we are in the home screen again. No need to format the data. Okay, before we cannot delete the system apps. Now let's try again with the new super read write that we have modified. Okay, first thing to do, let's try to install old version of the map. Let's use the file manager. Where is it? File manager, this one. Okay, I already copy the map apps into the internal storage. Here, let's try to install it. Okay, apps not installed, appears to be unvalid. Okay, so now let's try to install remove the system apps, the maps, and then try to install the old version of the map. Okay, select the map in the product app, delete. Okay, Nice. So now we can install the system apps. Okay, now let's try to reboot the phone. If it take effect or not, we'll see about it. Okay, now we are in the home screen again. As you can see, there is no maps on our phone because we have removed the map from the system. Okay, now let's open the file manager. Let's try to install the old version of the map. Install it. And here we go. It seems that we have successfully installed the old version. Okay, skip this one and this one. Okay, very good. Nice. So now we can uninstall system app, install old version, and also you can install it again if you want to. Okay, nice. Okay, so that's all, guys. That's a video on how to make your Android system from read only become read and write. Okay, test that on the Infinix Note 30 Android 13. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video.